Hello everyone. Today I have brought another important feature of graphic design, and that is the combination of AI and graphic designing. So nowadays people are more worried what will be the future of the graphic designer and what will we do if everything will be replaced by AI. So here I want to encourage my fellow graphic designers that instead of getting worried, you can get the help of multiple tools available on internet, and with the help of these you can carry out your graphic designing projects or image editing projects. So I have brought a real project. As you can see that here the client has asked me what, let's see what he says. He says, this is the image you will be editing, I would like for you to. So he has provided me an image of frog that will shortly I will show you in high resolution. So it says fix the paws so they are more frog like, remove those nipple things on his chest, adjust the crown so that it fits him better, add the word Fortuna at bottom center but curve so that it fits with the design. I will send you what type of font to use. Also fix the nose slit so they more frog like. Okay, so this is the image that he has provided, and as you can see there are some edits that can be easily done in Photoshop, but if I start regenerating the paws of the frog just for an example, so it will take a great amount of time and great amount of effort, whereas you can take the assistance of AI and you can get it done within a matter of minutes, and I am going to show you how you can do that. Okay, as you can see that these lines can be easily removed with Photoshop. Take the example of clone tool, you can simply remove it. So basically there are multiple methods to remove this. Furthermore, it says that the crown needs to be adjusted so that it is more on the head of the frog. So it can also be done in Photoshop, but the point of interest is that pause that needs to be made flat, that is more like a frog like, which is not right now. Okay, so what you need to do, just go to file, save as, and save the same file in the PNG format which I have done. Okay, now we will be regenerating the pause going into the del E. Okay, so going to del E, and here you can upload the image. Okay, crop, edit image, and just remove the pause. Okay, now you can see that the AI will automatically recreate the pause that will be more like a frog. Okay, so we have to just write regenerate frog pause. Okay, and this is not a promise that then ideal result will be achieved in the first attempt. You have to do the multiple attempts, and I did the same. So with after one or two attempts I managed to get the required results, and as you can see in the same with the same prompt I managed to get the pause more like a frog. Okay, so as you can see that if you keep if you do this in the Photoshop, so how much time it is going to take, and it is not easy to achieve the real results that does not look fake, and I am satisfied with these results. Okay, now let's see what the other changes were required and what how I did that in Photoshop. Okay, so you can see the pause has been generated like this. Okay, these lines have been removed with the help of the clone tool or content aware tool. This crown was easily removed with the lasso tool. You can make adjustment, separate it out, and then adjust it as per your requirement. So basically this is the, you just need to have the basic expertise of Photoshop to do these things, but the point of interest was there to show how AI can be helpful to you in carrying out the real projects. Okay, so similarly these nipples were removed with the help of clone tool. Let me show you. Look, this is the actual image, and with simply grabbing the clone tool, select the layer. It's very simple. Anyone having the basic expertise of Photoshop can easily do that. Okay, nipples can be removed like this. Okay, another requirement that the client asked that the pause should have the circular ring as it was shown in the original image. So it was also done in the Photoshop. Let me just unhide the layer and you will know that how I did that. Look, just simply creating the circle and putting on the paws of the frog. So it is the it becomes a required result. Look, everything looks amazing, everything looks real, and you can see we have just put a zero effort, you can say, in the Adobe Photoshop to regenerate these paws. And the last was to put the font in a curved manner. That is also very simple to put. He has provided me the font, and what I did, just simply type the type using the type tool. You type the anything, the content that is provided. Let's move it to the top, and from here you can easily create it in any combination that is your requirement. So we did the same with this Fortuna text, and guess what, the client was very much satisfied with this attempt and he just approved the project in the first go. So the conclusion is that instead of getting worried with the artificial intelligence boom, just make the most of it by blending the expertise of your designing and take the assistance from the AI. It can be taken from the Daily, it can be taken from the Bit Journey, and it will be very much helpful in carrying out and saving a lot of time to your projects. Thanks for watching.